hope you could stay longer and subscribe to my channel. And hey, if you're coming back here my channel, wow, you're such a queen bee. Welcome back. Alright, you guys, we are going to have a picnic. Yes, so we have decided, me and my husband of course, we have decided to go to my hometown, my mother's hometown in Carcar, and we are going to have a picnic there just to, you know, reconnect with nature as well as reconnect with my mother's roots, half of my root, because my mother is from there but my father is not from there. And we are going to pick up my friend Alei vlog. Shout out. So we're going to pick him up because he decided to come with us to have a cottage core picnic. And yes, I'm gonna see you later.
A few inches later.
Jolly Joyce, lechon. Magkano kilo ng lechon dito ata sa inyo?
500.
500. Ang spicy, same ba yun?
Same time.
Santa Madam. Kahit naging Santa na hindi papalis yung Madam.
A few moments later.
We're here, guys. So this is the old place. This is my place before. As you can see, there's a tree, tabi-tabi po. There's a dog. And then there is a church. It's our church. So Ali, it's his first time here. What can you say?
It's a very nice and tranquil place. I love the greens. It feels so divine because there's like a church. And I'm so happy that you brought me here to where you grew up. Look at that. There's like fields of green. I want to eat there. We have our own vegan baon.
Ay, may tao din. So we're just gonna eat our, I'm just gonna get my, baon.
Okay, okay, i-video mo.
Sige, go.
Parang hindi na lang.
Ang arte, hindi naman masyadong
Ha?
Hindi naman masyadong high yung cliff. Yung bangin, di ba?
Gusto ko lang.
Kala mo naman ang taas ng bangin.
Kala mo naman ang tari.
Okay, we're going to my place and that's Alei vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.
Alei Martin.
Ay, hindi na ba Alei vlog?
Matagal na. Ano ka ba?
OMG, ah. Okay, so we have here a pathway to the enchanted place. And then we have some goats over here.
Ha? Tariksik?
I didn't feel it. Please don't. Ayaw tawga ang ulan. Manalig ka na di mag-uwan. Okay, so there, diba? It looks like ano? It looks like a forest, an enchanted forest.
Mia, pwedeng pa-video ako dito. Ay, sorry, joke lang. Busy pala si Mia.
Busy yung mga tao-tao. Ito na lang kasi, diba? Nasa YouTube pa.
Ang ganito, oh.
Oh. So this is the ano, guys. The agianan. The way, the pathway.
Ganda. Saan po? Ako yung nag-una-una.
Oh, ikaw yung nag-una-una, T. So straight ka lang. Just ano, just go.
As long as may daan.
Hanggat may daanan. Go lang. So actually, this is not the original ano talaga pathway. Kasi before may bahay dito. So wala na. So bakit hindi ko alam bakit naiba yung daanan.
We're in the middle of a forest. Char lang. Look at the pathway. It's so beautiful. So enchanting.
We're in the middle of the enchanted forest. Ay, nag-vlog din siya, diba?
Hindi. My day lang to.
Oh, may bayabas. Do you eat bayabas?
Ako?
Oo.
Oo. Baba dyan.
And then we have chico tree over here.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Ang daming bayabas.
It's so beautiful.
Nga, daghan kay gibit-bit. Dili ka dagan-dagan.
Ay, mukhang malayo pa po.
So that one, the end of the ano meadow is already our place.
Really, it's so beautiful.
Is it? It is. I grew up here. And then before, when I go to school, kasi here is, ano pa to, mais, mga mais pa to. So every morning, I can smell the mais, the corn, yeah. So that place there, the parang forest, that's already our place.
Oh yeah.
So you are entering
An
the enchanted forest of Madam Queens. So Mom, if you're watching, I'm here in our old place for the memories. Ganun.
For the nostalgia. And if you notice, dito talaga ako dumadaan sa grass.
Ako din.
Because I like the feeling.
Feels soft and rejuvenating. You are entering Casa de Madam Queens, where the magic happens. Alay, this is ano oh, Alay, this is sage.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. We
Why
can
don't
get them.
You should plant it and then... But not the white California tree.
Probably. This is my place, guys. This
This is where I grew
forest
up.
area. This is my place. This is where I play. We have a duyan over there. That's this is where my house stood. Sorry po. That's our CR.
Before?
Oo.
Saan sa bahay?
Tapos this is my mom's plants. Birds of paradise.
And they're still here.
Oh, see that? Still here. I'm gonna cry. So, this is the jackfruit tree.
Later.
So it's raining, Madam Queens.
And we are under here in the chico tree. And it was, oh my god, the rain is getting heavier. Hello! It's raining, guys! But I believe that, ano to, it's a welcome. Welcome tayo. We're home.
Oh my God. Parang seryoso yung ulan.
Hoy! Wag naman!
A few moments later.
Exactly what I have, prayed for, but not the rain. I was asking for a gloomy weather so that it's not gonna be hot, but it rained. Not so much.
And now it's summer. And we are under a chico tree and we are eating our food. We have lechon, we have chicharon, sausawan, Alei's, vegan burger, tacos, and
peanut butter fudge.
With the kikay spoon and fork. We're gonna eat, guys. We're so hungry. Hi, you guys. So we were just done with our lunch. So now the plan is I am going to get some rosal plant or the gardenia plant.
The plan is I'm still eating. Charot.
And then we do have here some guava. Are you imagining things?
Ako din may nakita akong parang gumugulong.
Oh, that's just the bunga ng
No.
chico.
Parang may nakita akong kambing na Iro, nakita ni mo?
Oo. Sabi na ako gikuha ng food.
Ako din. And pag sabi mo paglingon ko, may nakita akong animal or parang kambing. But yeah, we know that
Anyways.
we're not the only ones here. It's fine.
Parang wala naman akong nakita. Parang yung metro lang na yung nakita ko. So apparently, guys, they saw something.
Nakuha na ganun.
Tapos may background music ng zing.
Yes, they saw something
Bear Grylls.
in there. But I haven't
Parang
seen
suspense.
anything. I just saw the metro.
Bigfoot.
I wonder what was it. Okay, hanap na tayo ng rosal. Dear,
I have a tree. Can you take a video of me?
sige. Alei is hugging a tree right now.
This has 100-year-old knowledge that, is worthy of respect. Pati puno,
Hindi pa naman nag-100 yung chico na yun.
Ay, ikaw ba ito nagtanim nito?
Uy, hindi naman ako.
Oh.
Yung lola ko.
So baka 100 years old na po.
Baka, no.
Hindi ba 100 years old ng lola mo?
Hindi naman 1-year-old niya tinanim yung tree, diba? So like mga 40 years old.
Matanda na rin siya tinan.
Oo, matanda na rin siya.
Patingin ako ng birth certificate ng lola mo. Para makalculate.
Ayan, ungkatin natin. Let's go.
Ano na yung CR, diba?
Yeah, that's the CR.
So, ni ano dito ni? Ano?
Yeah, it's like this.
Taray.
Siguro. Why can you see that but I cannot?
Lakaw na dito.
So there is an existing dog. You're not imagining
So you
things.
saw a dog again?
Oo. Lakaw na dito.
Tsaka ito yung matakot
Ang
kasi.
bilis. Ang bilis. From here to there, ha? Ano niya yung ang bilis.
That's fine. May mga bahay dun. Di tayo dapat matakot.
Ako din naman. I'm not.
Okay guys, I am looking I hope there's no snake, but yes, I'm looking for tabi-tabi po, the rosal plant that we have.
Kahit kaayo nagdyan pa din siya. Literal na ga.
So, if I remember it correctly,
Parang di tayo namin pabadyo na. Manahulugan na.
yeah. Okay, so I can see our stairs. And our stairs is still here too. I can still see our stairs. So this is that one. That's our stairs.
It's the spinach.
Oo.
Arte.
And then
This is spinach. Madam Kings, I just want to know, is this spinach?
kainin mo kaya? Try mo. That's
Ay,
hagunoy.
charot. Akala ko spinach. Kailangan yung papasabi.
Spinach. So I'm trying to get I'm trying to find the...
Madam, please don't move.
Huwag ganun, te. Hoy, baka may mga bees, no? Like, what a
Baka may beehive dyan.
makikita naman yan. I'm just really trying to look for the Rosal. Please give it to me. Parang may daanan dun sa kabila. Are we gonna ano na? Pack up? Pock up?
I'm poking out.
I'm gonna poke up. Ay, may daanan dun. So, I can just, So, we're just gonna poke up, guys.
Kasi akong phone, man. Nakita niyo mo akong phone.
Mga kartihan mo sa magic wand mo.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, nakakalor ka.
What is that for? This is to direct the energy. That's what you use your wand for.
To what?
To direct your energy.
Paano yun? Ano ba?
Kailangan gano'n. Yung mga energetic direction.
May nag-uuling dito kasi there's a hollow land over there. We're gonna pack up.
Ang tanong, ano ba ang umuling? Ba't kanya ng lalim?
Siguro kahoy. Alangan naman.
Kahoy at
Bunot.
ano ang kailangan bagahan?
Ano bang gusto mong ipaano? Ano ba? Char lang. Pack up na.
Bakit na?
Sige na, ikaw ang saan.
Ay, video.
While
This is a peanut butter fudge. This is my offering
To the goddess.
for allowing us to eat here under the shade of this magnificent tree. We've developed a band. May banda na.
Banda. We
Ouch.
developed a band.
So drummer na yung tree.
Yung tree talaga yung drummer.
Tapos guitarist na.
Yung mga roots.
so sponsored by si
We want to thank Metro for the paper bag. Grabe, laking tulong.
Grabe ng ambag nyo, besh. Uy, ang dami ng mga ano.
Mga ants.
Madadala ko yan sa city.
They're now city ants.
Baka city. Ooh, the suka. We're gonna throw that.
laban na kayo na kung ano na na
Okay, tree. We can hold it for a while.
sa mga kuaning content nila teacher pinubukin school.
Si Ate Chubby. Bukid squad.
So napakasimple lang talaga ng buhay namin dito ni Madam Queens. Sa tanghali, talagang nagbabaon lang kami ng mga simpleng pagkain. Katulad ng kanin, chicharon, French fries, vegan tacos, at vegan burger. Tapos sa
Simple
aming
lang po.
panghimagas, napakasimple lang din, peanut butter fudge. Oh.
Ganun talaga pag nakatira ka sa bukid. Very simple, no complication. Walang kung ano-ano.
Patatas lang, masaya ka na.
Oo.
Patatas lang, masaya ka na.
Yung nagamit ko. This is gonna be lighter for you kasi wala nang laman. Inubos na ni Alei.
This is my offering to the spirits. Please continue bringing me abundance, prosperity, love, joy, peace, and protection. This is my offering.
Love and light and wisdom and knowledge. Ito.
Kainin natin yun.
Oh, sige.
Aray.
Kasi nakukus.
So, asa man ta next?
Ang dami-daming tao.
Ala, basig.
The shadow. There.
May ikot na shadow.
Yeah. I can see it. Aray.
Ang
Eh,
dami
parang
kayang
dog
tao
nga.
dumadaan.
Hindi kanina pa. Wala yung before that.
Basig mag-misa sila ron. Itong sakyanan dito.
Ay man na ganina morning.
Wala na ikaw ron?
Oo, may schedule si Queen. Hawak ni Queen yung schedule.
Hawak ko ang schedule ng pare. Sis.
Na. Ayun ang may plastic pa.
Is that ours? Alam nga naman.
Sabi ng tree. For 200 years, wala akong mag-puja.
Grabe. Daming tao.
Tapos, sabihin mo sa tree, paano yung tapapak ko? Ilang taon nang lumilipas. Dito naman siya nakaupo nung na-depress siya.
Oo.
Sasagutin ka ng tree, sino nagsabi sa'yo, this is the same tree?
Ayan na. Bakit ba pinipilit mo yung mga ano mo? Okay. Let's do that.
So, ako na nang ikuan.
Ang balabal.
So, we're just gonna, muna, bilin that in there. Because we're going to explore the place. Tree, you're my friend. I know you know me. I know you remember me. Protect them, okay? I'm your master. And I have
Sampusan ka ng
returned.
tree.
And I have returned. Take care of it. I am their master.
Tapos bigla kang hinampas ng mga
You don't do that to your master.
Later.
This property here before was used to be very cultivated.
cultivated,
Cultivated.
barricaded.
Yes. And this once was surrounded by barbed wires, kaya wala kaming neighbors. I don't have playmates. I only have dogs for playmates. Then, this one, my father would be very angry with this because we don't let other people.
Grabe naman.
So that's not our cow. That's very illegal. You don't do that to a private property. But let's go. Let's try to look for the sow.
We're doing little south hunting.
Yes. We're hunting for gardenia. You know, my favorite perfume notes.
The pinapay.
Tinapay pala. So, this is Alei, if you don't know. This is Hagunoy. This is Makahiya,
Ayun ang makahiya.
Mimosa. And this one is Kamachile. I know all sorts of trees because I'm
Country girl.
a country girl. So, let's go to the neighbors. I don't know them. I haven't been here for such a
Basig kuan tadi.
long time. I'm scared. They know my mom. So they know me. I'm famous here. Makapal!
Everybody knows Madam Queens.
Yes, everybody knows Madam Queen's here in Valencia.
You're not from planet Earth if you don't know Madam Queens.
In Valencia.
Grabe.
Okay. Now, it's a very interesting story. So, di ba may baka? There's a barbed wire here before, but I don't know where is it. Baka tinimbang mo. So, there's a very small...
Oh, there's still a piece of the barbed wire.
That's not even a... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is right. That's so awesome. Awesome.
So, there is a very tiny house here before. I was very young then. And there lived a very small people there. And we used to go inside that house. And there is a small sala, small room, small trees, small plants. It's really, really cute. It's real. They're just really small people, but they're real. Okay, I'm not imagining things. So
It's not just part of your small imagination.
yeah, not my imagination.
Wala, lobat na siya.
There's a dog over there. Oh, it must be the dog that you've seen earlier.
Asa man?
It's a brown dog.
It felt like a goat to me.
Oh, mura magkuha niyang color.
Asaan?
Ali, ang laki ng aso, Ali.
Ay, anak.
Are you
Ay, di mo na siya mao. Lain tog color.
Ang daming aso. Are you game to go there? Okay.
Wow.
There is a pathway, so it means that a lot of people are passing by here. We're gonna follow the path. Actually, these people are my cousins.
Lobat na siya.
On season 13. Just, season 13 pa? Loko na? Nag-walk out naman.
Eventually.
Hi you guys, we're back here in the car. We just got here.
And we've got some chicos.
Yeah.
We picked this chicos from Madam Queen's father's tree.
That's not my father's tree.
Oh, your grandma's.
Uh-oh.
Her great grandma's chico tree.
Not the great, just grandma. Ano ba? Mali-mali yung information.
Mali-mali.
Tapos guys, we just walked and it felt good because pinawisan kami and it was raining as well. Tapos pinawisan kami. Ano ba talaga? So yeah. So we're here. Ale, how's your experience so far?
It was a life-changing experience. It gave me a whole new perspective. Hindi, grabe. I love the sceneries. I took a lot of pictures and videos, and I love the feeling that we ate under a tree. And I hug a tree, and I forgot to take a photo. Oh,
My video yun.
Oh, perfect.
It was a video. We're coming back here once na the chico tree will bear fruits again, and we're gonna pick them personally, and we're gonna bring
you guys.
home
May
for you
pag-giveaway si
guys.
Madam.
Just comment Chico.
Hashtag Chico tree from
For-
Madam Queen.
Yeah, for a chance to win.
Chico! Chico fruit. Yes guys, we are coming back here once the chico tree will bear fruits again, and we're gonna vlog that.
We'll pick them up for you guys.
Yes.
And give it away. So, again, don't forget to comment hashtag Madam Chico.
Madam Chico. Ang dami kong pangalan. So, how about you? How's your experience so far?
Kira.
That's it, you guys. I'm gonna see you later.